Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the monthly chart of Plug Power INC. Now, I am coming with regular videos at least for this stock, and I am making regular videos on after each and every 1 or 2 months, for the simple reason is if you are looking at the chart of the stock, and if market thinks there is a potential, because till January or February 2021, everyone thinks that there is a huge potential in this stock, and then suddenly everything is vanished. So it's not going to happen like that. But if you are observing this chart, first of all you need to understand what has happened and what will probably happen. And as you can see here, the stock has again moving higher, and it's a firm base that it has made. So it went up to a high of 75 $76. It has fallen and made a low of $19, and then made a base near $23 $24, and currently moving and trading at $33 $34. So if you are looking at the particular chart, so from the lows of 2012-13, it has moved up by 64,000%. So it is a humongous amount of return, and 64,000% is not a joke by any means. If any stock has given such a return in a span of 7 to 8 years, and if it is consolidating, there is no reason one can think that this is over, or why we are not interested in this kind of stock, because there is a consolidation that's been going on, and those who are smart enough to simply look at the chart and observe it, they can clearly say that we can use these dips as a buying opportunity. So use your observation and use your sense. You need not to be a high IQ person, and that's why after 1 or 2 months I'm coming with at least for this stock, because the stock is just taking its time before it actually started moving higher, because the story is here and it is real, and we are moving, the entire globe is moving towards that. So with that, you have your immediate support at 25.62, you have your next support at 19.12, and the resistance of the final support or stop loss that we are looking at is 12.59, because this was the resistance that the stock has faced in the year 2014. So from the high of $12, it went up to a low of 90 cents, and then again started moving on the upside. So these are the three most important levels, out of which don't go below $12.6 in any case of mishap. But the way the chart is looking is phenomenal, let me tell you. And on the upside you have couple of targets to look at, and because we are looking at a long-term chart, so there is no denial that the stock will perform, and perform in a substantial manner. So what are the levels that we are looking at here? So right now we have our first target, or first set of target, which will start with 75.9, which was your recent high in the month of January February 2021, and it can extend up to $115. Beyond $115, we have our next target at, here we are, $403, right? This is going to be our next target. And since we are looking at the long-term chart, I have the liberty to extend this target up to $1,700, and this is, I don't think that this is not a normal thing, for the simple reason that this was the high the stock has tested in the year 2000. Back that time, this is not the kind of story one should look for, and we have a substantial fall. And what is happening right now, or from the lows of 2012, is just a retracement towards the high that it has made in the year 2000. So you have a lot more to cover. Stock is buying its time, and we have seen how the stock is moves. So for example, the first move happens and the stock has given 9400%. The second move happened and the stock has given around, you know, yeah, we are 8600 or 8600%. So I mean, on an average, if the stock will give you 5000% from the current lows that it has made, then we are good to go. We are really good to go, 5000 8000% towards the upper end of the range which I have said. So there is nothing called illogical, and this looks like a bullshit. Okay, you have a trend, we are explaining it, that's it. And this is for the long term, for the next couple of years. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share it with us in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.